culprit area of low pressure already deepening as it heads towards the country, and by tomorrow we're going to have masses of isobars, so some very strong winds indeed in many places, and these weather fronts sweeping across, bringing outbreaks of rain. And even on Saturday and Sunday we find quite a lot of isobars, so it remains fairly windy, and more Atlantic weather systems will keep the unsettled weather going and bring us all some rain from time to time. Now, the only rain we have around at the moment is in the form of showers across the north of the country, some speckling there on the latest satellite picture. Clear skies, you notice, over the southern areas. That's going to be important, as we'll see in a minute. But there is some cloud beginning to spill in towards the west there. But we have those showers in northwestern parts. Those showers, incidentally, should fizzle out during the rest of the evening. And then for central and eastern areas, it's going to largely be a fine and clear night, although there will be some thinnish cloud coming across later on. But over Northern Ireland and western Scotland, by the end of the night, it'll be turning wet and, incidentally, fairly windy. Now, that cloud and eventually wind and rain will hold the temperatures there above freezing. But in central and eastern areas, I think those clear skies will last sufficiently for there to be a touch of frost in a number of spots. It may even start off fairly bright, incidentally, in eastern parts tomorrow, but we're already going to have that wind and rain in Northern Ireland and western Scotland, and this thicker cloud will spill right across the whole country during the course of the day. But having said that, the heaviest rain is going to be in northwestern areas. The rain in the more central and eastern areas is fairly light and patchy, and I think it'll actually hold off until after dark as far as East Anglia and the southeast is concerned, easing off for a while too, probably over Northern Ireland. But one of the main features about tomorrow is that it is going to be very windy, those winds up to gale force, even severe gale force in some of the exposed parts of Northern Ireland and western Scotland. But despite the wind and rain, it should be a fairly mild day. Those temperatures around about 11 or even 12 degrees come the afternoon. And then, as you probably realise from the charts I showed you at the beginning, the unsettled and fairly windy weather is going to continue throughout the weekend. We get rid of the rain during Saturday from eastern areas. It's going to be followed by showers, some of those quite heavy and prolonged, especially over Northern Ireland and western Scotland. And then on Sunday, although the north